cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing a well-requested side dish. We'll be making some raisin rice. This is perfect for the holidays, so let's get started. Here I have some shredded carrots, green onions, parsley, bell peppers, onions, garlic, ginger. I'll be using some long grain basmati rice, and here I have my raisins soaking in hot water. I'll be using some better than bouillon and a little bit of tomato paste, garlic and onion powder, black pepper, complete seasoning, and seasoned salt. To a small saucepan, I will add a bit of oil and allow that to heat up. Once it heats up, we'll go in with our rice. You want to make sure you wash the rice thoroughly before adding it, and we will just season up the rice. We'll add our seasonings here, and I will be adding a little bit of tomato paste just for that nice bright festive color. You know, it's Christmas, so we want to have that festive look. I know a lot of people don't add tomato paste to their raisin rice, but trust me on this one. Trust the process, guys. So once we've added our seasonings and that tomato paste and stuff, we'll mix the combine and we'll let it go for about 2 to 3 minutes. We want to toast the rice a bit before adding the liquid. Next, we will come in with some hot water here. Do not add cold water to your rice. Add some hot water. I will leave all the correct measurements in the description box. We'll give this a good stir. Set the lid on. Reduce the heat to low. Let this cook on low heat, or else your liquid will dry out fast and your rice will still be hard. So you want this to steam on low heat for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes and you remove the lid, you should have the perfectly cooked rice. Now you want to cover it back, remove it off the heat and let it sit for 10 minutes before fluffing the rice. To a preheated skillet, I will go in with a bit of oil, allow that to heat up. Once it heats up, we'll go in with our aromatics. We will mix well and we will season this with a little bit of all-purpose seasoning and black pepper. Super simple. You don't need to do too much because the rice is already seasoned. And you don't want to over season it and have your rice to be tasting salty. So once we added our seasonings, we'll allow this to go for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, we'll add our raisins. Give it a good stir and let it go for about a minute or so, not too long. So lastly, you want to add your rice. Tell me that rice don't look nice and festive with that beautiful color from the tomato paste. See, I told y'all to trust the process. So now we will toss this really well, and then we will add our carrots, green onions, and parsley. And that's it, guys. That's how simple it is to make this rice, and it's absolutely delicious. It goes with a number of different things. It's the perfect side dish. Now let me play this up and show you all the finished product. So I did pair this up with some potato salad, baked fish, and stir-fried vegetables. And let me tell you, it was amazing. My entire family enjoyed it, and I hope you all give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up for me. Share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for your girl. I will be leaving all the correct measurements and ingredients down in my description box, and I'll see you all next time. Have a good day, and thank you for watching.